Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a character on Character AI. So first we need to go to Character AI website. You can find it on Google. Now to create a character you have to have an account, which I show in one of my previous videos. I will show that this account is created. And now we click on the create and create a character. And now there are a few things we need to fill. The first one is the name, so I'll just type something like Tony Jones. The other one is greeting, so I'm going to type I'm Tony Jones and I came here to have fun. Now, you need to create an image for your avatar, so you just type in what you want it to look like, what is the character, and it will generate an image that you can use as your avatar. So I wrote typical young guy who wants to have fun. And there's this image. You can create it once again. But now it's done, you just go and create and chat. That's how much details you need to give. And it brings you to a chat with the character you just created, so that just say hi to him and ask him how is he. And as you can see, the AI does the work and replies to us. So that's pretty much it. Thanks you to like and subscribe. Bye.